The English days of the week that we use today are named after a mix of celestial bodies, Germanic and Norse gods and goddesses. But in the Hindu calendar, these are named after seven of the Navagrahas, celestial bodies close to Earth in Hindu science. Before we go further, subscribe to my channel for more videos on Sanatan Dharma. Sunday is named after the sun, Surya. It is called Sunday in English and Ravivar or Etwar in Hindi. Ravi is another name for Surya and Etwar is a corruption of the word Adityavar, as Surya is one of the 12 Adityas in Hindu divinity. Surya is the son of sage Kashyap and Aditi. Surya married Sanjana, the daughter of Vishwakarma, and had the following children through her: Vaivaswat Manu, Yam, Yamuna River, Ashwin twins, and Revant. Surya wed Chhaya, Sanjana's shadow, and had the following children through her: Shani planet, Tapti river, and Savarni Manu. In the Ramayana, he had a son called Sugriv through Aruna, the female form of his charioteer Arun. In the Mahabharata, he had a son through Kunti called Karna. Surya rides a chariot steered by Arun and drawn by 7 horses that represent the 7 days of the week and 7 colors of the rainbow. The Gayatri mantra is dedicated to the sun. It has been composed by Brahmarishi Vishwamitra and features in the Rig Veda, Mandal 3.62.10. It is dedicated to the Vedic deity Savitar, who is identified with the sun god. In the Gita, verse 10.21, Lord Krishna says, "Among luminous objects, I am the sun." Monday is named after the moon. In India, it is called Somvar, as Som is another name of Chandra. Chandra's parents are sage Atri and Anusuya. His brothers are sage Durvasa and Lord Dattatreya. Chandra wed the 27 nakshatra goddesses who signify the 27 phases of the moon. For partiality towards one wife, Chandra was cursed by his father-in-law, Prachetas Daksh, to wane and vanish. But Lord Shiv saved the moon by putting Chandra in a waxing and waning cycle every month. Through his son Budh, planet Mercury, the famed lunar race Chandravansh continued. In the Gita, verse 10.21, Lord Krishna says, "Among the nakshatras, I am the moon." Tuesday is named after Germanic god Tyr or Tu. In India, it is named after Mangal, planet Mars, and called Mangalwar. Mangal is the son of Lord Shiv and Bhumi Devi, Earth. As our closest planetary neighbor is red in color, he is also called Angaraka. Wednesday is named after Woden, a Norse god. In India, it is called Budvar and dedicated to Budh, planet Mercury. Budh is the son of Chandra, moon, and Tara, star. Budh married Ela, the daughter of Vaivaswat Manu. From Budh and Ela continues the Chandravansh, lunar lineage, in which the Kauravas and Pandavas come much later. Thursday is named after Thor, a Germanic god. In India, it is named after Brahaspati, planet Jupiter, the guru of the Devas, and called Brahaspativar or Guruvar. Brahaspati is the son of sage Angiras and Shraddha. Brahaspati's sons are sage Bharadvaj, the father of Drona, Vanara king Kesari, the father of Hanuman, and Kach, who learned the Sanjeevani mantra from Asur Guru Shukracharya. In the Gita, verse 10.24, Lord Krishna says, "Among priests, I am Brahaspati." Friday is named after Norse goddess Frigg or Freya. In India, the day is named Shukravar after Shukracharya, planet Venus, the guru of the Asuras. Shukra is the son of sage Bhrigu and Kavya Mata, who is also known as Usanas. Among Shukracharya's wives are Urjaswati and Jayanti, the daughter of Indra. Shukracharya's daughter Devyani married King Yayati of Chandravansh. In the Gita, verse 10.37, Lord Krishna says, "Among poets, I am Shukracharya." Saturday is named after planet Saturn. He is known as Shani in India and the day is called Shanivar. Shani is the son of Surya and Chaya, shadow. Shani's animal mount, Vahan, is a crow. The most popular temple of Shani Dev in India is Shani Shingnapur in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. If you like the video, share it with friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hari Om.